Welcome to the Investor Information Hub. I'm Missy with Weichert SPM. Today, I want to show you why Memphis is one of the strongest rental markets in the country and why investors choose us to protect and grow their portfolios. Memphis offers something rare: high rent-to-price ratios, strong blue-collar demand, and a stable Mid-South economy. But the real advantage comes when you pair the right market with the right management partner. At Weichert SPM, our mission is simple: protect your investment, maximize your returns, and give you the confidence to scale, whether you live in Memphis or across the country. Let's start with tenant quality. Our screening process is one of the strongest in the region. We verify income, rental history, credit, criminal background, and employment. We don't just place tenants, we place the right tenants. That's why our eviction rate stays low and our renewal rate stays high. If you're buying a property with a tenant already in place, we handle the transition smoothly. We introduce ourselves, confirm lease compliance, and make sure rent collection continues without interruption. Now let's talk maintenance. Every investor wants predictable expenses and fast response times. We deliver both. Our vendors are licensed, insured, and vetted. You get transparent invoices, no hidden markups, and 24/7 emergency support. If a repair goes over your approval limit, you're notified immediately. No surprises, no guesswork. We also require renter's insurance for every tenant. That's another layer of protection for your asset. One of the biggest questions investors ask is, how do you set the rental price? We use real-time market data, neighborhood trends, and property condition. The goal is simple: strong cash flow with minimal vacancy. And if you're building a portfolio, we give you a clear roadmap: acquisition, onboarding, leasing, stabilization, growth. Whether you're buying your first rental or adding your 15th, we help you understand neighborhood performance, rent ranges, and long-term ROI. If you're looking for a management partner that communicates clearly, protects your investment, and understands the mindset of serious investors, Weichert SPM is built for you. Visit the Investor Information Hub at Memphis-propertymanagement.com. Explore our FAQs, learn the market, and see why investors trust us with their portfolios. This is Missy Spohr with Weichert SPM. Bye. Thanks for listening.